What's up guys, welcome back to Code Wizard, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to run C++ programs in Visual Studio Code, and this will work for both M1 and Intel processors. So first thing you want to do is open up Visual Studio Code, and then once you have that open, we're going to install a couple extensions. So go ahead and click on the extensions button here on the left. First extension will be C++, so go ahead and type in C++ in the search. And it should be this first extension here by Microsoft. Click on install. And this extension basically allows you editing and debugging features to help you write C++ code. Once you have that installed, go ahead and type in Code Runner in the search. Should be this first result here with over 14 million downloads. Click on install. And this extension simply makes it easier to run C++ programs. Now, once you have those two extensions installed, before you can run a C++ program, you have to make sure that you have a compiler installed. And the reason for this is because C++ programs need to be compiled into an executable before you can run the program. So what you want to do is open up your terminal, and you can just type in command space and then open up the default terminal. And you want to type in clang -- version and then press enter, and you should see some result like this. It will tell you the Clang version that you have installed, and Clang is a C++ compiler. So when you type this in, you should see something like this. Now if you don't, if it says an error or doesn't exist, then you actually have to install the Xcode command line tools, and to do that you can just type in xcode -select -- install and then press enter, and that will install the Xcode command line tools, which will install Clang. But you can see I already have Clang installed properly, so we should be good there. So once that's taken care of, we're good to start a C++ program. So I'm going to go ahead and click on open folder. I'm going to open my projects folder, and then I'm going to create a new file. And we're just going to create a simple hello world program in C++. So I'll call this hello.cpp. And then from there, we're going to write our hello world program. So type in include. So once you write your hello world program, you're going to see this button here on the top right, run code. Go ahead and press it. You can see that it will automatically compile and run your C++ program, and you can see it printed hello world to the screen. Now if you look here under your directory, you'll see your hello.cpp program, and then you'll see this weird thing that just says hello, and that's just the name of the program. This is actually the executable that Clang created. So when it's running your C++ program, it's actually running this executable here. Okay, so every time that you do compile your program, or really just running it, it will compile it for you, create this executable, and then run that executable. So that's it, guys. That's how you run C++ programs in Visual Studio Code. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.